we are here with Shfeq Bashir, who is father of Khatoon Fatima Church, Reinalہ, Khورd. So, how are you, sir?
I'm fine.
Yeah. So actually, as you know, coronavirus is spreaded across the world right now. So in order to get safer from this disease, what message you want to convey to the people?
First of all, I would like to thank for CNN team who has approached me here in Reinalہ, Khورd, Khatoon Fatima Catholic Church. So when I look at this disease, the virus, corona, it has shaken the foundation of the world, as it struck the whole world, and because of this, many people died. Because of this, all the walks of life got distracted or halt, and because of this, our economy, our education, our health, everything got disturbed and upside down. So in this time, we need to be careful, because now the second wave is going to start, and somehow or the other it has already started, and we have seen many cases now appearing, and many cases have has been discovered now. So I would request to all the Pakistani people, our nation, to be careful and follow the SOPs that government has set before them. So second thing is about the peace, and peace is very important for every nation. Where there is peace, there is progress. Where there is peace, there people live together and enjoy the life. And the peace is not the need of only this region or our country. Peace is need of the whole world. And when there is peace, we are easily these crimes disappear, or all other things that happen are become non-existent. Therefore, we need to create peace from everywhere, from our actions, from our speeches, from everything that we do for the betterment of our country.
Are you grateful of the authorities who has played the major role in order to get rid of this disease or virus?
Yes, today I would like to pay homage and pay tribute to, very especially, our government of Pakistan, army, who's been involved throughout this time, 2-3 months, been like devastating. This catastrophe thing was really alarming, and government has been very active. They took many measures. Along with government, army was in the forefront, serving on every level where they could reach the people, and they supported the government. And I also like to appreciate the efforts, the services that private NGOs and private other institutions have played during this coronavirus time, and we should be thankful to everyone, and very especially the people who's been involved and done great services during this time.
Thank you, sir. We were in discussion with Father Shfeq Bashir with cameraman team ثاقب, CNN, Pakistan.